Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how to backup your WhatsApp messages on an iPhone. So let's open WhatsApp, and now in WhatsApp tap on the settings tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In settings menu tap on chats. Now tap on chat backup to access backup options. Here you will get some options like auto backup. You can choose the frequency of automatic backups such as daily, weekly or monthly. You can turn off auto backups. Now you can enable this option include videos. After enabling this option, your backup will take the backup of the videos you have shared on your WhatsApp or you have received videos. And the last option is backup now. To manually initiate a backup immediately, tap on backup now. Now it will start preparing. Now it will start uploading backup data to the iCloud. Once the backup is completed, WhatsApp will display the date and time of the last backup under last backup. So this is how you can take the backup of WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.